looking to make the switch to a 4-link suspension on your 1997 through 2006 TJ Wrangler, and you need some of the key components to make that happen, this Teraflex Pro LCG rear upper control arm bracket for the passenger side will be one of them. Now this will be a great option for the TJ owner who has added a 3 to 5 inch lift to their Jeep and needs to make sure that their long arms are located in the correct position to make the most of their performance with their 4-link setup. Now this will make for a solid suspension for the serious off-roader, but I do want to mention that this will only work with Teraflex's LCG control arms and will require fab work, so if you have both of those in mind for your build, then you're in the right spot. A 4-link suspension will drastically increase your Wrangler's flex off-road, reducing any part interference in the back, and on higher lifts will help relax the angles and stress put on the control arms while you're articulating. Now this will help you achieve those benefits by repositioning the control arm to not only fit the longer length of the control arm in place of a short arm or a factory arm, but also to flatten the angle for increased handling, which is going to boost the performance. Now this will be made of a CNC laser cut and precision bent 1/4 inch steel, allowing for a proper and snug fit on the frame. Now the thickness of the steel here will allow this bracket a lot of strength to hold up to whatever abuse that your TJ may see, and as you can see, it's going to have a black powder coat on top to prevent any rusting or corrosion on the surface. Now I do want to mention again that this is not going to be a bolt-on component. This will require welding and cutting to the frame, so just keep that in mind when you're checking this out. Now this will come in at about $115, which is pretty average for a control arm mount. Now compared to others on the page, these are specifically made for the LCG long control arms and will be made with a lot of intention behind the design, with the thick build and the powder coat making them a solid and reliable way to piece together your long arm kit. Now this is going to be a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Like I mentioned, this is going to require cutting and welding, so I highly recommend that you have a good amount of mechanical know-how, including how to weld, in order to tackle this job yourself, or that you take your TJ to a local trusted shop, or specifically a suspension shop. Now I would also say, with the correct tools and setup, if you are doing this at home, it's going to take you about 2 hours or so to mount this up, in addition to removing the factory bracket from the frame. I do also want to note that after these are installed and your control arms are mounted up, an alignment is absolutely necessary in order to achieve the correct performance for your TJ. Now that wraps it up for my review on the Teraflex Pro LCG rear upper control arm bracket for the passenger side, fitting all 1997 through 2006 TJ Wranglers, and you can find this right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.